Matt.
Yeah? Alright, cool. So, are you left or right handed?
On this side.
Yep, so
Johannes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Wow.
So that hand there, that hand
Yeah.
there, yeah? So it's on safety at the moment. I'm just going to take it off,
Yeah.
and then you'll be ready to fire. Just wait for me to say test fire,
I'm not going to do anything till you say.
Test Bob!
Okay?
Yeah.
Happy days!
Fuck, my eardrum's gone.
And again. And again. Go on.
Jammed.
Jam? Yeah.
Yeah.
So pull back on the lever because you didn't pull it back hard enough. And then just pull back on it now.
What, this?
On the lever, yeah?
Yeah.
And further.
Go on. I'm holding it.
No, pull it back. You need to really pull it back.
Yeah.
That's the one. That's the ticket.
Let go.
There you go. Yeah, you can let go now. Pull it forward as well. Push it forward as well.
Yeah.
That's it. And then you're going to help me out here.
Yeah, okay, sorry, mate.
Yep, there we go.
What did I do wrong?
It wasn't anything that you did wrong.
Yeah.
It's a bullet. Right,
do I do?
test fire.
Okay? Happy?
Yep, yep.
Jammed again.
Yeah, cool stuff. So
Pull
back
the thing.
on
You
lever really
got
hard.
to. You got to pull the thing.
Nah, you didn't pull it.
Oh, mate, here you go.
Yeah.
You have to be a man with that.
That's how you do it. There we go. Back to you. Yep, over.
I'm going to show Bruce Compton this.
Oh, don't show Bruce Compton
Go on.
this. Jesus Christ, he'll tell Gary what we've done.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Just
Am I
tell him
ready?
that you fired at MG.
Ready?
Test fire!
Jammed again, that would be enough.
That'll be enough, guys.
Is it safe?
What you need to do is with this hand, you see that bit there?
Am I okay
Hold it
here
like that.
from the muzzle?
Stuff.
Matt's the one to ask.
Matt, am I okay here with the muzzle?
Yeah, you're perfectly
Yeah.
fine. Yeah. Alright, show me when. Test Bob! No? Yeah, go on. Oh, I'm excited.
Fuck it out.
Yeah, okay, we got Jan. So just pull back really hard on that lever, yeah? Yep, that's it. Cool. And pull it back forward. Yep, and then again. It's cool. Did it jam again? Yeah, pull back on the lever. There we go. And then same again. One last time. Perfect. Alright, pull.